Hello, today I'll be showing you how to install Word on your Android mobile device, as well as how to log in with your student account. Let's get started. First, at the bottom of your Android device, click the Apps box. Then, look for the Google Play Store logo. Once you find it, click the Google Play Store logo. Once you're in the Google Play Store, at the top search box, search Word. As you can see in our search results, there's Microsoft Word. Once you hit that app, you can install it. I've already pre-installed it for this demonstration, so next we're going to add our account. Once you hit open on the Microsoft Word app, this sign-in box should appear for a new user. We hit that sign-in box, then we hit the box where it says sign in. This will take us where we can enter in our student email, which should be our first name, period last name, @ahub.edu. After you hit next, it's going to ask you for your student password. I'm going to go enter in my password, and then I'll see you in just a brief moment. Once I complete the sign-in, it's going to load some files I have from my cloud onto my phone. Here you can see I have them hidden, but the account logged in successfully. That is how you install Microsoft Word on your Android mobile device, as well as add your student account. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you and have a great day.